Hi, my name's Peyton and welcome back to my channel. Grab your pinkity drinkity, this is about to be a long video. Hey guys, so this week's fun fact about me is that I am obsessed with Coach wristlets. So like I love the little wristlets. I only have 2 purses, but I love like little wristlets like this one. I will hold it up. I think they're so easy to just put on my wrist and go because my arms are weaker, so it's hard for me to carry like big purses. So when I do buy purses, they're small, you know, little ones, but I love those and I'm so obsessed with them. And I prefer Coach, but I also like Michael Kors. But yeah, that's my fun fact of this week, so let's get on into the video. I bought tons of things in the VIP Rouge sale and Sephora, so I will show you. The first thing that I bought was the Kat Von D La Lolita palette. It is super duper beautiful. It's like my colors. The only thing that like kind of sucks about it is it doesn't have any glitters in it, but it is really pretty and has a bunch of pretty mattes, so I will be using that today. I'm kind of just gonna use like everything that I bought in today's video because I think it would be like, you know, cool to do that. So that's what I'm gonna do. And the next thing that I bought was the Clinique foundation. So I bought it, and it is the Even Better Makeup Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Evens and Corrects, and I am shade CN08 Linen because I am so white. But I got that foundation because it's nice, especially I wear Eucerin every day anyways, as a sun protectant because I have very sensitive skin. So it's nice to have that too in the summer, especially when I, you know, I'm working and everything. So I also got the I Love First Day Beauty, so I had to try their tinted moisturizer that has SPF 30 in it, which is actually what my Eucerin has. So there's another awesome alternative. I think I'm gonna use that today on my skin. And I went crazy with foundation, so you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, because I wanted so many different ones. So I got the Fenty Beauty foundation too, and this is the, so I have really oily skin, but I got the hydrating longwear one because when I've been working with a dermatologist for a while now, and certain medications that they put me on, it dries my oily pores. So sometimes I need a, you know, hydrating foundation, and sometimes I need, you know, a matte foundation. So it's nice to have both, and I really wanted to try this one. This is the, I am shade 110 in this. And then I also got the Estee Lauder foundation, double wear, stay in place makeup tinted. And then it is 1C0 is my color. It's Shell is the name. This I thought was like a perfume at first when I seen it in the box, because I'm like, did they send me the wrong thing? But it's so nice and it's so small compared to the other foundations that I got. So, and then the last but not least foundation that I got is the NARS one. I have, unlike all the other foundations, I haven't tried, or CC creams, whatever you want to call them. But I did try this one before in like little samples before I bought it, and I really loved it. It is very long wearing and great with my skin. I got light one, Oslo is my shade. I do have pink undertones, so those are the ones that I got just because they best cover my pink undertones. So last but not least, I got 3 of Kat Von D's Everlasting liquid lip sticks, but they're lip stains. I have a couple of hers and I love them, and so they stay on my lips so long, and they're not like really drying even though they're matte. So they were on sale for $8. Certain colors were, so I got 3 of them that I really like the colors. So the first one that I got is called this is supposed to be like Requiem. I don't know, but it's really pretty. And it's like a pink, like a really light pink. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's really, really pretty. It's like, and I think this would be cute with like a really pale kind of gloss over it. Like maybe Diamond, I think it's Diamond Milk by Rihanna. I have that gloss. I think that'd be really pretty over it. The other one that I got is called Melisse, and it is a orange red. I feel like you can never have enough orange reds in your collection just because it's like, I feel like it's like a classic kind of red, you know, and I feel like it goes really good with my skin tone and my black hair. And the last color I got, I wasn't really sure about because normally I don't really do brown lipsticks just because I think they look weird on me because I'm so pale. But I got this like mauve-y kind of brown, and it's really pretty. I've never seen a color this kind of brown because it has more like different color tones in it, and it's called Sanctuary. And even on the little box, I don't know if you can see, but it's like a mauve, more brown color on the sticker. It's not even like that brown, which I like because I like a little bit, I love nude colors, but I do like them to have like a mauve-y kind of tone to them on my lips. So I am gonna get into makeup. I'm gonna kind of fast forward to the parts that aren't, you know, new products in my routine just because you've seen me do them hundreds of times and we want to see the new stuff, right? So obviously I'm only going to be able today to use one of my foundations because I can't use 6 on my face or 5, whatever. But yeah, so let's get on into using the product. Okay, so I went ahead and squirted my NARS foundation on my Y6 Morphe brush, and I'm just going to go in and nothing special, just blend it all over my face. I've been wearing makeup like a lot more since I've been in quarantine and everyone else has been in quarantine. And you know, it's been a lot of fun just to like not have to wake up and rush to get ready, and you can just spend the day like playing with makeup. That's like the one thing that I love about not being able to go anywhere or do anything, is that I'm actually been more motivated to just play with my makeup and, you know, do it. Like, take the time to, like, not just do, you know, a basic look, and just kind of take the time to mess with it and play with it. So I'm gonna continue to blend this in so it looks seamless, and then I will be back to do my eyes and show you guys what lip I picked to go with them. I blended my foundation out, so now I'm gonna go in with the palette, the Lalita palette that I just got, and I'm gonna go in and do, let's see, this is gonna be like a really pretty matte simple look, so I'm gonna go in, just kind of follow along if you have the palette at home. Let's go in with Besitos. If I'm pronouncing these wrong, please let me know, because let me tell you, sometimes I'm a little bit slow at things with names, like. So I'm gonna go in to the crease of this color, and it's a lot darker than I was expecting it to be in the pan, but that's okay. So I'm gonna blend this into the crease. And I kind of want to do like a really pretty smoky pink eye that's like all matte, which is so not me because I always literally go for a glitter look, eye look that is. And so I'm going to keep blending that in. And honestly, these are blending out like a dream. Like, you guys should so go get this palette because it's on sale right now on Sephora in the sale category. I think it's like $21 or $23. And it's normally $39. It's so pretty. I'm definitely all up for mauves and pinks with eyes and lips. That's like my favorite go-to makeup colors. So basically now what I'm gonna do is, now that I got that pink blended out in that one eye, I'm gonna go in with the darker in the corner. And I'm gonna go in with Corazon, which is like a dark kind of purple. And I'm going to take it right here in this outer corner. So hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. And you want to pat, is what I'm doing. And depending on your eye shape, depends on, you know, where you want to put it, but this is where I'm putting it because I have almond shaped eyes, so it's best for my eyes. So that's what I love about this. And I'm just gonna kind of blend that in just a little under the crease. But you don't want to bring it up too high or you'll lose that mauvey pink kind of color that you just put in the crease, which we do not want to do that because that defeats the whole purpose. You don't want it to look muddy, you want the colors to fade into each other. So that's the entire point of layering the eye. Layering the eye. I don't know why I said it like that, but I did. Okay, so now it's kind of smoked out, as you would say. And now I'm gonna go in with like Hermonicera, whatever. It's like a light color. Well, it looks light in the paint. We will see if it's actually light. And I'm just gonna brush that so it meets the darker purple that we just put in the corner. Hopefully, is that lighter? See, that's the crazy thing about it. You don't know if it's lighter or darker. So now I'm gonna go in with do my lips. I went ahead and did mascara off of camera because I didn't buy a new one. I used their Real As Always, and everyone knows how to do mascara, I think. I'm gonna go with Sanctuary, and I have the mirror in my other hand, so I'm just gonna open it with my mouth. Okay, there you go. I hope this isn't too dark, but you know, I try to match, but it's fine. I think it might be perfect. Maybe. I don't know. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and let me know if you guys got anything from the VIP Rouge sale. I think it's still going on. I'm not sure. But I can't wait to see you guys next week. And as always, thanks for rolling.
Hello everyone, I have my 24 karat gold patches on. Look out. Oh, I already got it off.
Oh, there was hair up in my mascara.